Have you ever wondered how those intricate green sculptures in gardens are made? Welcome to the fascinating world of topiary, an ancient horticultural practice that transforms live plants into defined, often geometric shapes. Topiary's roots trace back thousands of years, and today it remains a vital part of landscape gardening. Whether it's a simple sphere or an elaborate animal, each topiary piece is a testament to the delicate balance between art and nature. Now that we know what topiary is, let's delve into how these green sculptures are created. Creating a topiary involves a lot more than just trimming and pruning. It's a labor of love that starts with selecting the right plant. Evergreen shrubs and trees, for example, are popular choices due to their dense and persistent foliage. Next, a wireframe is set up as a guidance system for the plant's growth. This frame acts as a blueprint for your future green masterpiece, be it a simple sphere or an intricate animal shape. Then comes the careful process of pruning and training the plant. This is where your topiary starts to take form. It's important to remember that this is a slow process, often taking several years to fully realize the desired shape. But don't be deterred. The reward of patience is a living, breathing sculpture that changes with the seasons and grows over time. So, with the right tools, the right plant, and a lot of patience, anyone can create their own living green sculpture. So, what did we learn today? We delved into the mesmerizing art of topiary, understanding that it's not just about shaping the greenery, but expressing one's creativity. We walked through the process of creating a topiary, from choosing the right plant to meticulous trimming. Above all, we realized that patience and regular maintenance are crucial in this gardening journey. Remember, every topiary is a living work of art that requires time and care. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.